Okay, so this is a bike box. I didn't have a knife with me, so I had to just kind of rip these loose best as possible. Not the preferred method, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I've been walking for miles and my feet hurt, feet are sweaty, hands are tired. Oh, sure hope I can ride this back. I don't know if I will be able to or not. Hopefully so. Fucking beautiful. How far this was took apart, I'm not really sure. I'm super excited to have this. I've never had a carbon bike. This is not full carbon, it's carbon and aluminum. But it's definitely an upgrade for me. Here's one of the wheels. Oh my goodness, they got air in them. That's a really good sign that there's air in the tires. The dude that packed this looks like he knew what the fuck he was doing. My goodness, this is awesome. So here we go, right here. Put this baby together. Woohoo!